If you got the best, you need to protect it with the best. Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector. Stay tuned. What up, YouTube? As I said before, if you purchase the best iPhone 12 Pro Max, you want to protect your investment by using the best glass screen protector that you can buy. Whitestone Dome Glass. I stand by this product. I use this product. I have this glass on all of my devices. Best glass screen protector, hands down. It's a bit pricey, but you get a good quality glass. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go over what you get in the contents, or in the contents you get in the box. I'm going to go over it all, and then I'm going to apply the screen protector on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm not going to be speaking. I'm going to let you listen to some music. Just pay attention, follow my steps, and you shouldn't have any problems. This is going to be the cradle that you're going to sit the phone in. These things here are going to be your glue catchers that sit inside of the cradle, which I'll show you in a bit. This, of course, is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, not included inside of the Whitestone Dome Glass box. Sure, I didn't have to say that, but there you go. Got your warranty information here. This is going to go over your speaker grill at the top of the phone, which I will show you how to apply that. This is your glue. You're only going to use one of these. Comes with two in case you mess up. Simply, this is this only has one glass screen protector in the box, but if you mess it up before you cure it, before you actually cure it, which that's the curing lamp, once you cure it, it's done. It's a wrap. You can't take it off. But if you mess up, you got a new glue. You got an extra glue protector. This is the cradle that actually holds the glue. I will show you that. These are your wipes to clean your screen. Here's your wet wipes. These are your dust absorbers. Get the dust off your phone after you clean it. These are going to go on the sides and on the bottom of your devices to cover up your open ports and your volume up and down buttons. This is going to be your pull tab to release the glass screen protector on your phone once you apply the glue. And this is your glass screen protector that you're going to be applying. Like I said, I'm not going to speak, so just watch, pay close attention, follow my steps, and you shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. Stand by. Now it's the waiting game. Just let it sit there. Let the glue do its thing. You don't want to see any white portions. It's going to take a good minute. I like to let it set for like 5-10 minutes. Then I come back and we'll start the last process, which is curing all right, the glass. So the glue has done its thing. It has spread all around the edges, corners. There's no white showing on the sides. As you can see there, it has evenly and flawlessly applied to the phone. So now what we're going to do, what I like to do before I do anything, go ahead and remove these absorbers. And if, as you can see, I don't know if you can see there, see how it absorbs some of that glue? That way it won't get on the side of the phone and make it gunky, but you still want to wipe it off with one of your, see that one too? See the glue? And before I remove that, I just want to go ahead and cure it. Now you don't want to touch it or move it around because now it will move. So you just want to leave it the way it is before you cure it, until you cure it. And I like to do 15 seconds, top, bottom, and in the middle. You hit it once, it's going to be 15 seconds, and it'll go off. And then just move it up and down. I will show you the first go round. Then I'll pause the video and show you the next steps. So you just want to hit it once for 15 seconds. Now this is curing it. So there's not going to be any more lifting it up or anything. Once it's cured, it is on there. And as you can see, I hit it one time and it went off in 15 seconds. So I will go down here, do the same thing. Hit it one time and it's going to go off in 15 seconds. 15 seconds. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this and I'll be back. All right, so I did the first curing process, 15 seconds. Now I wanna go ahead and remove the cradle. I still like to do it gently. The screen should be cured, but there's a second curing process. So I don't like to do any wiping or anything until I'm completely done with the curing process. As you can see, now those, if you see like lint and stuff, that's just a lint that has fell on there. I don't want to wipe it off yet. Like I said, I don't want to touch the screen until I'm done with the curing process, which will be now. So if you look here, you hit it 2 times. That'll be 1 minute. So you're basically going to repeat the steps that you did for 15 seconds. Do it again. This time, you're going to hit the button twice, and it's going to stay on there for a minute. I'm not going to, well, I'll just go ahead and show you. You can fast forward if you want to. Hit it twice. 1, 2. And as you see, it's going to stay there for 1 minute. Hope y'all staying safe out there. Still got this pandemic going around. It has affected me personally. I have not had it, but it has affected my family. So for those of you who think it's a hoax, think it's not real, let me tell you, it's not a hoax. it is real. And I'm going through it right now. So, I would ask all of you to keep my family in your prayers. We do have a family member that is in the hospital right now. He is actually on a ventilator fighting for his life thanks to COVID. So please keep my family in your prayers. Like I said, this is going to stay here for 1 minute. And then you just move it down to the bottom and just repeat the process. It went off. That was the minute. I'm going to go ahead and finish this process, and then we're going to turn the phone back on, and I'm going to show you the finished product. Stand by. All right. Now that the curing process is complete, you can go ahead and remove it from the cradle. Set the cradle to the side. Flawless. Let me go ahead and... At this point, you can gingerly wipe it down. Get some of the smudges off. You can take this tape off on the side here that you applied to protect the buttons. You look around the sides to make sure you don't have any seepage of glue. I don't have any. Sometimes you can use the wet wipes and wipe it down. But as you can see, I'm good to go. So now, basically what you want to do is just turn on your device. As you can see, everything works just fine. No touch screen sensitivity issues. Flawless. Anywho, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I will have a link down in the description where you can pick yours up. Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector. The best. Peace. One more thing. If you're saying that's just way too many steps and you don't trust yourself to get this expensive screen protector, it's too many steps. Well, they have the Whitestone Dome Easy Glass Screen Protector. And it is just as easy as 1, 2, 3. You don't have all of those curing steps or whatever. I'm going to show you how to apply it, but I'm not actually going to apply it because I just installed the regular version, the curing version. But basically what you want to follow, clean your screen, make sure it's clean, dust-free, use your alcohol swabs, your dust removal tools, just the same steps up until actually applying the glass. Applying the glass is different. So basically what you want to do, when you got a clean screen, you want to put this, which is your guide. This is your screen protector guide. Put this over your phone like such. I'm not going to put it on there, but that's how you put it on there. Once you got it on there, you want to take the glass screen protector like this. Peel the back off and just set it in there and drop it and let it do its thing. That simple, that easy. The main thing here is making sure you get all of the dust and the smudges off of your display before you drop this down. And it's that simple. That's the easy version.